Hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube channel once again. I'm wearing olive green today because March is tomorrow and I'm very excited to do makeup looks for St. Patrick's Day. Alright, so I want to do like an olive green look but without wearing fake eyelashes and without having to do my eyebrows because I'm overusing it too much when I'm doing like winter makeup looks when I take pictures of them. So I will give that a rest until tomorrow. So if that's the case. But I'll still wear fake lashes though. So that does not mean I'm gonna take a break from wearing fake lashes. But it's okay though. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing like an olive green look from February to March look. By the way, I did my nails in green for St. Patrick's Day. Alright, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the new content I have posted on my YouTube channel. And I will do my best to post more of my YouTube videos on my main YouTube channel because I've been posting my videos on my fashion and beauty channel a lot than my main YouTube channel where I post my vlogs, my music, and yeah. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So as of this morning, I didn't get enough sleep. Why? Because I just got home late last night because I was at tutoring, as I need to catch up with my work. And I had to wait for my sister since she took too long in the tutoring room. I don't know why, but maybe she has some studying to do, or maybe she has to catch up with work. So maybe that's why. So I felt tired after this because my eyes were kind of sleepy a little bit, but I don't know why. So I was at the computer lab the whole time. I was studying my class notes for my philosophy class. By the way, I am taking philosophy this semester. So overall, this class is good. It's an interesting class. So what I learned about like philosophy, it's almost like history or politics because we're talking about laws and philosophy. And we're talking about the criminal laws and private property laws, other things to talk about in philosophy. So I give it a 10 because now I am actually starting to learn about philosophy. Like I never took a class before because I never took a philosophy class before. So it was an interesting class. I did like it though. So before I put on face powder, I had to say I've been using the same makeup sponge like every single of my videos. Now it's turning like beige brown color because of this. So I need to give that a rest. I need to like throw it out because I'm overusing it because I need to replace the new ones. So I will show you the which of my sponges I bought from Primark I'm going to be using in my next video. So I will show you that in my next video. So I need to give that a rest. Alright, so like I said, I was at a computer lab and I was studying my class notes for philosophy. I have an exam coming out next week. And I had to study hard so I could pass. This last semester, I did my best. I studied hard and I passed all my classes. And this semester I should do well and be able to pass all my tests and all my classes, submit all my homework on time, get good grades. I'm gonna use this Sephora Colorful Blush. Is the ones I use, the Milani blush. I only use it to put on my fake lashes because the other one, I'm only going to be using it when I do not want to like wear fake eyelashes. But it's okay though. I don't have to wear lashes every time I wear my makeup. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Up to me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette. This is the one I've been using in my several of my videos. So now I'm gonna use it again. Alright, so I'm not gonna use this sponge applicator right now just because I want to use the fluffy brush like this one. This is from e.l.f. by the way. This is like a blending brush. So I'm gonna use this is like a light fern green color. I'm gonna use that color to match my shirt. Okay, and while I'm putting on my eyeshadow, I'm using the light fern green color. I have an update to tell you all. So I might go live on Instagram as of next week to talk about the exclamation of why did I quit my music career? Why did I say, oh, I'm getting so much hate? So I don't know if I want to do like to go live on Instagram and talk about the exclamation of why did I quit my music career? Why did I say, oh, I'm getting so much hate? I don't know if I want to do it next week. If not, I might have to wait till like in the next 2 weeks because I have some things to do. So I might have to see what happens because I got some things to do. I have college going on, so I might have to wait till further notice to decide what date to go live on Instagram and chat with all of you. Alright, I am gonna use this Shiny eyeshadow palette, this makeup kit. And I'm gonna be using, I'm not sure what color though, but maybe this regular fern green color. This is like a forest green color. I'm gonna use this brush for this. Right, they have 2 sponge applicators, but not using them right now. Alright, speaking of my music career, I might have to wait until like the next few weeks, 2 weeks or 1 week ahead, to go live on Instagram and talk to my fans about, well, talk to you all on why did I quit my music. Why did I say I am getting so much hate on my music every time I drop my music online on all the music platforms? So I might have to have that exclamation because I need you guys to know the reason why I quit music. And I haven't released any music since September 27th. Because now it's been like 5 months since I haven't released any new music just because I quit music and I ran out of song ideas. So I might have to wait until further notice, but I'm going to be using this Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise eyeshadow palette. Alright, I'm not sure what color, but this palette, it only has 2 green colors. Hi, by the way, this is my camera. I'm gonna use this green color called Jungle. It's like an olive green color. So I'm gonna use that. I don't know if this is going to be fully olive green just because my shirt, it's like this color. It's like different. Okay, while I do that, I want to let you guys know that starting tomorrow, I am gonna count down the days and then I can finally return to my music career. Why? Because I haven't released any new music since September. And I just took a break. I decided to quit music because I'm getting so much hate. And not only I got so much hate, but I ran out of song ideas. Like, I was so stressed about like not being able to get more views of my music every time I released them online on all the music platforms. Like, I don't know why did I quit my music. But I don't know, like I couldn't I couldn't recall that I just wanna like give up and not to do any new music again. But I don't care about my haters, but I couldn't care about my haters anymore, but I couldn't fuck with them anymore. So I don't care about my haters. So like I am too goddamn stressful because of this, but like I don't know what's the circumstance of like staying away from my haters and then just drop my music. Like I don't know. This is like I don't know. This is very, very embarrassing, but I don't fucking care about my haters. Alright guys, so I did the olive green color. It's not fully just like my shirt I'm wearing. I ain't sorry for my bad language, but it's only because of my haters, so just kindly ignore what I just said. Alright? But I just said I don't care about my haters. I don't care about them anymore. They need to stop hating on my music, so just I'm gonna have to ignore my haters. Alright? I'm gonna do the eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I'll be back. Alright guys, so it's not fully olive green just because the green colors are like different in my shirt I'm wearing. By the way, I bought this from Costco. It's so cute on me. I like this blouse. I do have another copy, but it's like white. But it's good though. Alright, so I'm gonna put on an eyeliner. While I do, I'm going to repeat what I just said by excluding my haters, excluding my bad language. Ignore my bad language, thanks. Alright, so I'm gonna count down the days tomorrow until I can finally return to making new music. Now, I had decided to return to my music career, returning to making music on April 1st, which is the day of April Fool's Day. So, as of April 1st, I will tell you guys it is an April Fool's joke, and I will tell you guys after 6 months of quitting music, now it is a joke that I'm gonna return to making new music and decide to give up and ignore my haters going forward. So that's what I'll do. So speaking of the countdown for me to return to making music, the countdown will start tomorrow. So I will post on my Instagram story notifying my fans that tomorrow it will be 31 days from now until I can finally return to making new music after 6 months of quitting music. Well, as of right now, it is 5 months. Again, as of September 27th, I had released my music, but then in October, I announced I'm gonna quit music until like 6 months, for at least 6 months until April 1st, till further notice. So, as of today, as of right now, we got 32 days left, and then I can finally return to making music. But the countdown will not start till tomorrow, just to let you know. So tomorrow will be 31 days from now, and then I can finally return to making new music. So what do you guys think? Should I return to making music on the day of April Fools? Let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Alright, so wait till April 1st. I will scare all my fans. That for me to quit music, it's an April Fool's joke. Alright? Just wait till April 1st. It will be an April Fool's joke, and I'll just give up of quitting music. Just forget about quitting music. Keep doing what I'm doing. Right? Oh, and my song cover videos. I will have to announce that on my main YouTube channels. I will talk about it if I go live on Instagram, or post a further announcement on my main YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to try my best to post song cover videos and vlog videos at the same time, alright? And, of course, I'm making music as well. Okay, so I ran out of lipstick color ideas, so I'm going to use the one that I just bought from Primark. This is the one I just showed you in my video. The new makeup products for the new year, which is 2025. This is like brown mauve color, by the way. Alright, so I will just use it, wear it. Alright, just wait till April 1st. I'm gonna return to making new music, scare all my fans, saying, April Fools, it's a joke, I give up. Now I'm gonna return to making new music after for 6 months of quitting music. Like I announced on October of 2024, I would quit music until April 1st because of getting so much hate. But now I decided to give up, right? Wait till April 1st. I will get back to making new music. as I'm counting down the days tomorrow, like I said. Okay, so this is it. My makeup is finished. This is like a preview look for St. Patrick's Day, right? So I'm gonna try to post more of my YouTube videos in March since I have currently failed to post more videos in my fashion and beauty channel in March. I don't know why, but I got some things to do. So I will do my best to post videos in March in my fashion and beauty channel and of course my main YouTube channel as well, right? My bangs is kind of a little messy, so I will fix it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's not that bad that I did my bangs, but it looks good though. Alright, so thanks for watching my today's video. The olive green look, even though it's not fully olive green, just like my shirt that I'm wearing. But that's okay. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. And I will do my best to post my vlogs, my music, and of course, my song cover videos. My song cover videos on my main YouTube channel will be out very soon, so stay tuned. I will announce that. Either wait for an announcement video or going live on Instagram, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so thanks for watching for my today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget tomorrow I will count down the days and then I can finally return to making new music after quitting music in October that I announced that I'm going to be quitting music until April 1st. So becoming April 1st, it'll be April Fool's joke that I'm going to return to making new music and I decided to give up and forget about my haters and this and that, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.